How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, I got a few great stock picks for you guys, and we're going to look at a few stocks that I just bought. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. If you'd like to follow my journey, I highly suggest you do so, as I am going to put you on some great plays and make you some great income and passive income. If you would like to know, when I started my journey on this house money challenge, how much money I've invested, how much money I've made, hit the description below. I do give a brief overview of that. If you want any free stocks or free shares, hit one of the four or all four of the affiliate links down below for free stocks, free shares, free cash, as well as follow me on any social media platform. I do post there daily regarding stocks and crypto. Now let's jump into it. As you can see on your screen here, the first stock pick I got for you guys is PM. This is Philip Morris. This is a great dividend stock. Yes, it is a sin stock. If you don't know what a sin stock is a stock that especially a company that isn't doing positive, quote unquote positive things. Philip Morris is a cigarette company, or tobacco company, whatever you want to call it. So that's why they call it a sin stock. Basically, they're making products that aren't good for people. Other sin stocks could be products that aren't good for the environment, etc., etc. But most notably, Philip Morris makes Marlboro cigarettes, and they cause cancer, they kill people, and all kinds of other stuff. They got bad chemicals in them. But me personally, I don't mix my personal feelings or emotions with business. When it comes to buying stocks and investing my money in crypto or real estate or whatever it may be, I don't look at the negative aspects that the modern day media may dub as non-moral or whatever you want to call it. Philip Morris is a financially a great company. They pay a nice dividend, and this is a play you're gonna make money on, so I wouldn't care pretty much what they were selling. If it's gonna make me money, then I'm going to pretty much invest in it. Now moving on to the next stock, we got Air Products and Chemicals, ticker APD. Once again, another great dividend stock. We got Church & Dwight, ticker CHD, another great dividend stock. Do your research, look up Church & Dwight, look at the products they're producing. It's going to be something you recognize, I guarantee that. So these are just basically a bunch of dividend plays I'm going to give you guys off the rip. These will give you passive income. In my opinion, dividend plays are the smartest plays to make. They're very sustainable. They're usually very consistent. They're usually not volatile at all. When the rest of the stock market is crashing or correcting, these dividend plays are typically they typically hold their own. So they're kind of like a hedge against the market. Plus you get that passive income, and if you look at analytics and charts over the long term, dividends always outperform growth stocks over the longer term because of that compounding dividend interest or drip, whatever it is you want to call it. Then we got Norfolk Southern NSC, another great dividend play. And as you can see, I can give you plenty of diversification into different sectors of the market with these dividend plays. Now here's financials. We got BMO, Bank of Montreal. Then we got Walmart, ticker WMT. Everybody knows what Walmart is. Everybody's been there. Everybody shops there. Walmart's trying to be very innovative and keep up with Amazon and not lose their position in the with the market share and their customer base. Very profitable company, been around forever. It's going to stick around for a lot longer time as well. So another nice dividend play. Then we got Hasbro, ticker HAS. We got Chubb, ticker CB. We got Chevron, ticker CVX. These last three were great dividend plays. Like I said, we're in the dividend sector right now. This is what I'm showing you guys. This is fossil oils, energy. A lot of people think this stuff is going away, which I eventually think it's gonna, slim down a lot. I don't think it's gonna go totally away. We got too much stuff that depends on, these materials, or substances or liquids or whatever you want to call it. But Chevron's definitely a great play at the moment, and a great dividend payer as well. Then we got Bank of Hawaii, BOH. We got DG, Dollar General. Very, 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 very profitable company. Great margins, sell an array of products. This is going to be in the consumer packaged goods sector. They're going to sell snack foods, your personal items, your at-home items, all for affordable prices. There's literally Dollar General stores everywhere. I'm talking major cities, the smallest, most rural areas. Most of them got a Dollar General in them. This is a great passive income play, nice retail play, nice consumer package play. And I do drive trucks, so I go to a lot of these smaller cities that you'll never hear of, and trust me, they all got Dollar Generals. If they got one thing, it's going to be a Dollar General and probably a Subway, just to be honest. Next, we got PACCAR, ticker PCAR. This is not a dividend play, but PACCAR does produce, engines and things of that nature for larger vehicles. I actually had a 2018 Peterbilt mid-roof truck before I got the truck I'm in now, and that Peterbilt actually had a PACCAR motor in it. Very great motor, reliable. Not my favorite, but hey, overall as a company, they're very productive, very profitable. So a nice long-term growth play here. Then we got JD.com, ticker JD. We got PDD. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. And then in the Webull account, we bought some WP Carry, WPC, great dividend play. They make some of your household products, some of your tissues, and other things of that nature. Do your research, look at the products they make. I'm sure you probably have something of theirs in your home. Then look at a Binance coin in the Cryto.com. We were up 7.61% on the day. As you can see, I have 8% of a token or a coin, and it's valued at $25.95. Then back to the Webull, we bought SCHD, which is a Charles Schwab fund. This is a high dividend paying fund. Got this around $73.90 pre-market here today in the Webull account. So nice dividend play, nice exposure, nice diversification into dividend space through Charles Schwab. And then lastly, we bought one share of CVS for about $76.30 on the strike price. CVS is another great stock, another great long-term play, pharmaceutical play, very profitable. You can also call it a medical play as well, a retail play. They do sell, some of your consumer packaged goods as well. So a nice diversified play here into the CVS. So those are my three purchases. Showed you, Binance token, and then I gave you guys some nice, one nice growth stock and a lot of nice, dividend plays. If you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, follow my journey. I will keep you guys in nice plays, and you can steady watch my portfolios grow along with yours.